Hi friends, today we are going to see the exercise 7.1 for 12th standard, that is applications of differential calculus. So we are going to see the first problem, that is a particle moves along a straight line in such a way that after t seconds its distance from the origin is s equal to 2t square plus 3t meters. We have to find the two questions answers. Find the average velocity between t equal to 3 and t equal to 6 in seconds. Then find the instantaneous velocities at t equal to 3 and t equal to 6 seconds. First, we have to know, we are supposed to know what is velocity. If you are a physics student, you are supposed to know that what is velocity, what is acceleration and all. So first let us know that what is velocity. If a particle, that is, let us consider O is the particle, moves from a point A to B at a particular distance, that is in x meters, the rate with respect to time t, with respect to time t, the rate of change of displacement of a particle is known as velocity. Clear? The rate of change of displacement of a particle is known as velocity. We have to find for this given problem average velocity. We know that what is average velocity formula. So let us do the first question. First option, that is average velocity equal to s of b minus s of a by b minus a. So first what is find s of a, that is s of a which is equal to s of 3, t equal to 3 and t equal to 6. No, this is a and this is b, that is s of 3 equal to, substitute for this x is equal to s equal to 2t square plus 3t. This is s, you know. So substitute for t equal to 3 in this equation. So 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3. So we'll get 2, 3 3s are 9 plus 3 3s are again 9, 18 plus 9 which is equal to 27. That is 27 meter per second. The next one is s of b which is equal to s of 6, which is equal to 2 into 6 square plus 3 into 6, which is equal to 2 into 6, 6 are 36 plus 3, 6 are 18 plus 72 plus 18 which is equal to 90 meter per second. So we know that what is s of a, what is s of b, then substitute for these values in average velocity. Therefore average velocity equal to, what is s of b, 90 minus s of a equal to 27 by b minus a, what is b, 6 minus 3, 90 minus 27 equal to 63 by 6 minus 3 equal to 3 which is equal to 21. This is 21 meter per second. This is the average velocity for this given problem. Have you cleared? See, we are going to do the second option, that is find the instantaneous velocity. What is instantaneous velocity means we are supposed to find what is velocity for this given equation. This is the displacement that is given by s equal to 2t square plus 3t. We have to find the velocity, then substitute the values of t equal to 3, t equal to 6 in our velocity. So suppose we have to find the velocity. Let us rub the board and then we will find the velocity. Okay. Please take down these notes. Next we are going to find the instantaneous velocity, that is x is equal to, what is given, that 2t square, that is this is the displacement, 2t square plus 3t. So we have to differentiate with respect to t in this equation. Let it be A. Differentiate the equation A with respect to t. That is known as velocity. We can call it as velocity. So the rate of change of displacement is known as, I already said that the rate of change of displacement is known as velocity. Therefore, we are going to differentiate this given displacement with respect to time t. Therefore, it turns as a velocity, which is nothing but v is nothing but s dash of t. We are going to differentiate s with respect to t. That's why we are mentioning like s dash of t with respect to t. So therefore, we know that already. We know that how we are going to. That is, we know that the differentiation of the given equation. So 2 2s are, that is n into x power n minus 1 formula. We have to use that. 2 2s are 4t plus 3 into 1, that is 3 into 1. Differentiating t, differentiate with respect to t equal to 1, that is differentiation of t equal to 1. Therefore 4t plus 3 equal to s dash of, so v is equal to 4. V is equal to nothing but 4t plus 3. So what they have asked, find the instantaneous velocities at t equal to 3 and t equal to 6. So you have to find the velocity for a particular distance, that is v equal to 4t plus 3. In this equation, we have to substitute t equal to 3 and t equal to 6. So that is s dash of 3, which is equal to 4 into 3 plus 3. 4 3s are 12 plus 3, which is equal to 15 meter per second. We are supposed to write the units because the displacement of a particle is in meters they have given. Then seconds is where that it is mentioning the timing. Therefore, we have to mention the units, otherwise they won't give marks. So you have to mention in the units in velocities. Next, v equal to s dash of 6. You have to substitute these two values in velocity. Okay, therefore s dash of 6, which is equal to 4 into 6 plus 3. 4 6 are 24 plus 3, which is equal to 27 meter per second. This is the final answer. So have you, I think, hope so, have you all understood? So we have to find the velocities, the instantaneous velocities at t equal to 3 and t equal to 6. For that, what we have to do is, we have to differentiate the given equation. This is the given equation. This is known as displacement of a particular particle. We have to differentiate the displacement of a particular particle with respect to time t. So therefore, v is nothing but velocity of a particle, which is represented by s dash of t. So we have to differentiate this equation with respect to t. Therefore, 2t square is nothing but 4t and 3t is nothing but 3 into 1. So that is differentiation of t is 1, and therefore 4t plus 3 is the velocity for this given problem. Then we have to, because they have asked the velocities at t equal to 6 and t equal to 6. Therefore, we have to find the displacement, that is that measurement in particular velocities. What is t equal to 3 in v, and what is t equal to 6 in, when is t is equal to 3 in v, and when is t equal to 6 in v, we have to find the answers. This is the right way to find the answer. Hope you all understood. Thank you. We'll see in the next video.